Alright guys, we have a dryer here. It is a GE. And the issue with this dryer, you close the door and it just starts to run. Okay? Take a listen. Open the door, it stops. So we're going to be examining that switch. The start switch is stuck in the on position. Remove the 4 screws from the top of the console. Yours may be Phillips, these are Torx number 20. Alright guys, so if you have a dryer that is staying running or won't stay running, the switch is in the off position. Seems much better. We'll spray a little more on the inside. This is the switch. Make sure your dryer is unplugged, and you want to remove the knob. Now to remove this switch, you're going to need a little pick. You don't want anything too crazy, and you want to get under it. Now you don't want to pry this, you just want to basically get something just to lift slightly, okay? And then you can turn, okay? You're going to be turning counterclockwise. And if it doesn't move, you need to lift slightly. Underneath you have a tab that you must get it above. You can use your finger as well, but for the sake of the video, it's easier if I do this. See that? Okay, pull that out, and that's it. Now, the new one should be nice, but you can also just push this slightly back, just slightly down. Now you have your wires, make sure you leave them on. These two are basically the same, meaning it's one circuit at the bottom, but one of these actually goes to the thermal high limit, whatever. So just make sure you put them back the way they go. Alright guys, so it is done. I went ahead and lubricated it, and as you can see, it's done. It's ready to go. Close the door. She's off. All right. Thanks for watching.